Shiba Inu is hot these days. Lot of positive news coming out. Two of the biggest news for Shiba Inu right now are that AMC Theater has decided to accept Shiba Inu. This is what they're saying right now. The second big news is the developers have said that they are going on an aggressive burning plan for Shiba Inu, and if these two things come into play, this could be really good for Shiba Inu. But let's get into the technical analysis of Shiba Inu. So on the screen I've got the daily chart over here, and in this yellow I've got this lovely 200 period smooth moving average over here. This is the long term trend. Straight away you can see something very interesting happening with Shiba Inu. 200 period smooth moving average, big support here across this line. Look at this, two big green candles, then it came back down, and again in this region here, again once again big support going back up, and then even now 4 or 5 days back touched this line and then back up. So this line is very important right now for Shiba Inu. Other interesting thing in terms of RSI is if we go down here and look this region, which is around 36 to 30, below 36 basically, you can see whenever it reaches here we see a pump in price. Like this region over here, look at this, staying below 36 and then straight back up. Same happened over here. So this is kind of an important region. Look at this one also, recent times came to the 37, then we had a big green candle. So this is an important thing happening, but to make this analysis even more efficient, let me put some support and resistance lines. The first line of course is near this 200 period smooth moving average, as I explained, big support. Next one I would like to put over here because you can see it's lot of resistance happening in this region. Resistance, and then resistance, again over here also resistance, important level. Next one over here, again same reason, you can see a lot of resistance happening here, maybe one last one over here. So let me zoom in a bit and see what's happening. As you can see, this line is important. You can see lot of big wicks over here, rejection, big wicks over here, big wick, rejection. So we're in the same phase right now, rejection over here, and then we're going down. So looks like it's gonna come back down and test the 23 level, 23 level, and then might go back up. But as you know, tomorrow is Monday, the first trading day of the week. It is possible that we might go back up here and then come back down to test this level. But the key thing in my opinion is not to take any trade right now. We are in the middle of the ranges right now. I would wait for either to test this level or then come back down here and then I will buy some. So as you can see, very simple analysis here for Shiba Inu. 2-3 things needed, which were the support and resistance line, the 200 period smooth moving average here, and the RSI. Only these 2-3 things needed, and then you can see very clearly what is happening. So let's just wait for these levels to play out and then we can think about what trade we need to take. Thank you so much.